Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with history, lesson number 2, the regional kingdoms, part 1. During the medieval period, India was ruled by different rulers like the Palas, Gujarat Parthiharas, Rajput, Ghurids, and in the Deccans, the Rashtrakutas ruled over there. When we go to the south, Pallavas were there, Pandyas were there, and Cholas were there. Now let us move to North India. In North India, the Rajput were there. The word Rajput came from Sanskrit word Rajaputra, meaning son of a king. Historians have different opinions regarding their origin. The Rajput says that they are the descendants of Kshatriyas or warriors, and they claim that they are from Suryavanshi. Suryavanshi means belonging to the family of sun, and they also say they are Chandravanshi, that means belonging to the moon family, and some people believe that they are from the Agni Kula. The Rajput believed that they were born out of a sacrificial fire, and the main some of the important Rajputs were the Solanki, Chauhan, Tomars, and the Chandilya, etc. The Tomars were there in Delhi, and Delhi was founded in the year 8th century. In the 8th century, Delhi was founded. Now let us see the Chauhans of Rajasthan. Most important of the Chauhans were the Prithviraja Chauhan. And what was his achievement? He defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191. Later, Prithviraj was defeated by Ghori. Now let us go to Gujarat. Gujarat was ruled by Solankis. Solankis were also known as the Chalukyas. Siddharaja was the most powerful ruler of Solankis. Paramaras of Malwa was a powerful ruler, and his capital was Dhar. Kanauj was ruled by the Gahadawalas. Chandilyas of Bundelkhand built so many beautiful temples, and their capital was Khajuraho. The ruler of Ghazni was Mahmud. He needed large army to make Ghazni powerful. He heard from somewhere that India is having lot of wealth, so he came to India to collect money for raising a large army. Muhammad of Ghazni invaded India 17 times. He attacked the rich temple towns of India. He raided Mathura and Kanauj, even the Somnath temple also, and got the wealth and gold from there. He took it to Ghazni. There he built library and museum. Mahmud died in 1030. Muhammad Ghazni was from Afghanistan. After the Ghazni, another ruler came to conquer, and his name is Muhammad of Ghori. Muhammad of Ghori was an ambitious ruler, so he decided to conquer India for wealth and to build his own country. So he attacked Gujarat, Punjab, and the neighboring kingdoms of Delhi, Ajmer. Muhammad Ghazni was only interested in wealth, but Muhammad Ghori was interested in wealth and areas, territory. In 1191, there took place battle between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. In the first battle, Ghori was defeated. In 1192, there again took place a battle between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. In that battle, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj. Prithviraj asked for the help of the neighboring kings.